Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Remarketing lets you target people who already interacted with your business, and that's where all the real money is. And in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use remarketing list in Google Ads 2026 correctly. Now before we start, I'll teach you how to set up your Google Ads account from the start. You're gonna go to business.google.com and make sure you log in with your Google account. After that, you're gonna click on the Start Now button, and here you're gonna enter informations about your business such as business name and the business website. Make sure to enter a valid website here and proceed and start creating campaigns and creating ads and publishing them. Now, as for remarketing lists, the first thing you want to do is to open audiences. Once you're going to select your campaign or ad group, you're going to click on audiences, then you're going to click plus to add an audience. Once you do that, you're going to select remarketing, and then you're going to choose from web visitors, app users, YouTube viewers, and customers list. Once you do that, you're going to apply targeting, and you can use targeting for pure marketing campaigns, or you can use observation for search campaigns. To create a marketing list, you're going to go to Google AdWords, then you're going to log in with your account. After that, you're going to click on shared library, and from shared library, you're going to choose audiences, and here you can add the remarketing list. As you can see, you're going to find your audiences here. You're going to click on the plus button that says remarketing list, and just like that, you can add the remarketing list. Now, remarketing converts better than cold traffic and segment lists by behaviors, visited, cart, or checkout. You can also use higher bids for remarketing users. And that's how you use remarketing lists in Google Ads 2026 to re-engage warm audience and boost conversions. This was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video or found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.